Here we're going to solve our system of equations using the addition method. First thing we need to do is to pick either the x's or the y's, and we choose which one will be easier for us by looking at the coefficients. So we've got 5 and 3 for x, 3 and 6 for y, and we're going to have to find the least common multiple of those. So the y's look like they will be easier to find that least common multiple for. Again, that's just making it easier. Either of them will actually work. So the least common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6. Next, we need to find the value that we multiplied the first equation by. So our first equation is 5x plus 3y equals 12. And what we want is for our coefficients of y to be positive 6 and negative 6. The second one is already negative 6, so let's multiply that first equation by 2 to get positive 6. We get 10x plus 6y equals 24. And the second equation was fine as it was, so we just copy it down. 3x minus 6y equals 15. And then we add them up. So the x's become 13x. The y's cancel out. And adding our numbers up, we get 39. From there, we're going to solve for x, so divide both sides by 13. So x becomes 3. Once we find x, we just need to find y. We take the 3 that x is equal to and plug it back into either one of those original equations. Doesn't matter which one, so let's just pick the second one. We have 3 times the 3 we found x to be, minus 6y equals 15, and we solve for y. So multiplying, we get 9 minus 6y equals 15. Subtract the 9 from each side. Negative 6y is equal to 6. And lastly, divide both sides by negative 6. So y is equal to negative 1. We found x, we found y. All that remains is to state our answer, which is the point 3, negative 1. And we're done.